My favorite thing in the world is adventuring to new places. The escape. The challenges along the way. The memories with good friends.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great week. If you haven't noticed, we are now uploading videos weekly. Yeah. Thank you guys for all the recent support. We've just passed 1,250 something subscribers, which is insane. Channel's growing so quick. I'm super excited about it, super happy about it. We're gonna have lots of really cool adventures, and you guys are gonna come with me because that's what we do. I'm currently waiting for Tubbs and Braun and some other people, I suppose, to show up. And then we're going to hit some trails today.
What's up? Hey, what's up?
What do you air these things down to?
About 8.
8?
Yeah. How about you?
I pull my stems for 40 seconds and
40 seconds, that's
hope
good.
for the best.
Yeah, right on. Looks like it might be a good day.
What's up, guys?
Come on, man.
Not much.
Uncharted terrain for me is the best. Not knowing what obstacles might lay around the next corner. And it wasn't long before our first one appeared on this day. A creek has washed out the road right before a very large log in an off-camber hill.
You're just digging yourself in deeper.
Yeah.
These are the times you're happy you have confidence in your crew and our combined experience. With the first obstacle behind us, we headed further into the unknown. The trails look like waterfalls with all the heavy January rainfall flowing down them.
Yeah, buddy. Right up the middle.
Made it up to the lake.
Secret lake.
Secret lake.
We made it.
But we found it, so
Another over there somewhere.
half this lake's frozen, and then like just up there, it's
You
not
should
frozen.
walk out there and take a picture of us.
Yeah, okay.
That was like one of the hardest trails I've ever done.
Some pucker moments, eh?
Anybody have a canoe?
Yeah.
Is it the fun part?
Yeah, we're gonna have fun here. I'm just gonna grab my strap.
Getting back over the washed out creek, the approach was quite difficult. The crossing would prove to be even more technical than on the way in, with each vehicle coming close to flopping on its side.
I just don't want to do it. That was a fun trail, a little bit sketchy coming out through that washed out creek over the log. Felt like I was gonna tip over, but good spotters. Tubbs guided me across the river, and we got out. So right now we're on the Hill Creek Forest Service Road. We're headed towards Lookout Lake, but really we're just trying to find some snow to play in. The rain is already turning to snow up here as we're climbing an elevation. We're just going up and up, and we'll see how it goes. So far, so good.
Dirty.
This is likely where we need to turn around, but having a little bit of trouble with the motor on the big red beast here. Maybe okay? Okay? Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button. There are more adventures on the way.